Presenting your hypnotherapy series for success, enlightenment, and becoming financially free. There is no danger in hypnotherapy, but it is able to help you build many aspects of your life. Hypnotherapy can also help you become more mentally aware and has been shown to have healing aspects. We ask you to do nothing else while listening to our series, as you should be relaxed and focused. Listen to this series often to get the repeat benefits of the message and to bring about the positive results. Be kind to yourself and allow yourself to take time to relax and go through the series to create your own success. Welcome to Harmonic Prosperity Hypnotherapy for Financially Free Mindset series. Get ready to just make yourself comfortable and shut your eyes now. Let your hands lie loosely in your lap or at your side if that's easier. Just be comfortable and relax your entire body as much as you are able to. Now, I want you to take a deep breath and hold it for a minute before exhaling slowly. Just letting your whole body relax as you do. And I want you to keep your eyes shut now and just keep listening restfully to the sound of my voice. And as you're listening to the sound of my voice, I want you to center for a moment on your breathing. Breathing slowly and steady and evenly. And as you exhale each time, just letting your whole body relax more and more so that you gradually find yourself feeling like your whole body was settling further and further into the chair with each breath you breathe. And just the thought of breathing and unwinding makes you feel as though you're sinking down. 5, sinking deeper. 4, and each breath makes you feel more at ease. 3, and with every breath you feel yourself going deeper and deeper, more relaxed. 2, down once more, breathing softly, releasing, and 1, completely relaxed. I'd like you to utilize your imagination. Think of your own mind as a garden. You're the gardener, and you're planting seeds. The seeds are your thoughts. All day long, you're planting ideas or seeds in your subconscious based on the way that you commonly think. The way that you think and you sow the seeds in your subconscious are the same way that you'll harvest the reward in your body and your environment. You have to start to sow fresh seeds. You have to plant seeds of peace, happiness, correct action, prosperity, and wealth. Think restfully right now on the qualities that you'd like to sow in your garden in your mind. and have them fully in your conscious thinking mind. Go on to plant these fantastic seeds in the garden of your mind, and as they grow, you'll harvest the benefits of your deepest wants. Alter the way that you think from now on. You'll no longer have negative statements. If you find yourself saying something damaging, immediately stop yourself and complete it positively. Every negative statement that you make is embedding a negative seed in your mind, whereas every positive statement is embedding a positive seed. Your subconscious takes everything literally, and if you make a damaging statement or a positive statement, it will attempt everything within its power to make those statements come to pass. From now on, you wish only positive statements like, I can afford it, or I can accomplish this. The law of life is the law of belief. A belief is an idea in your mind. Don't believe in affairs that may harm you or drag you down. Trust in the power of your subconscious to mend, strengthen, and cause you to succeed. What the mind can consider, the mind may accomplish. You're forever on the lookout for great positive opportunities. Fresh opportunities easily and often come your way. You're on top of your game and realize all opportunities as they happen. You forever seem to be at the correct place at the correct time. Alter your thoughts and you alter your fate. See yourself the way you wish to be. Envision yourself right now as the prosperous individual that you wish to be. Understand that you've a right to be this individual. You merit prosperity. Prosperity, wellness, and happiness are natural. Poorness, illness, and sorrow are unnatural. So imagine the natural you as that fit, happy, and prospering individual. Get it distinctly in your mind. What are you wearing? What are you doing? Center on how you're feeling emotionally and physically as this fit, happy, and prosperous individual. See yourself no longer experiencing stress from bills, as you now have more than adequate money to pay bills, invest in your business, your future, and even plenty for a holiday and travel. You now have more than enough. This individual that you're imagining right now is you. Admit it as you. Let it become you. As you accept it and admit yourself as this fit, happy, and prosperous individual, so it will become. Place everything about this individual in your memory. How you look, how you feel, and how you're behaving. So you are able to recall it and see yourself as this individual as often as possible. Provided you can keep these positive ideas and memories alive, they'll become your truth. You continue moving forward. You no longer accept matters as they are. You're forever keeping yourself positive and never give up. You continue pushing onward and moving upward. As you ready yourself, to come back to your conscious, aware state, remember to bring back a reminder. Something to bring you back to the place where you can gather the strength that is greater than any of your fears. And now return to your conscious self within your special place and be grateful for and completely aware of your deep-rooted sense of financial freedom. As you breathe deeply, it's time to return as we go from 1 to 5. Number 1, you're slowly coming back to your awareness. 2, feeling alive and rested and deeply strong. 3, returning with amplified self-assurance and ability to follow through. 4, feeling the essence of being in your body that is empowered and dedicated as well as self-approving, paying attention to the sounds and the light in the room. And 5, when you are completely ready, open your eyes and return to the room, knowing all the while that life is to be savored and lived. You have just taken the steps to bring your own success, to boost your prosperity and achieve financial freedom, to do what is necessary to be prosperous and financially free. Listen to this series often to tap into your newfound prosperity.